Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the intense political turmoil brewing in Harare, Zimbabwe. On June 27th, supporters of Nelson Chamisa, head of the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, took to the streets in a powerful demonstration. Their demand was clear: the immediate release of former Senator Jameson Timber and 75 other CCC activists. This all started on June 16th when police raided an unsanctioned gathering in Strathaven, Harare. The activists were accused of preparing for an unlawful demonstration. According to reports, the situation quickly escalated. The police were met with hostility, stones were thrown, and chaos ensued. Reinforcements were called in, and by the end of it, many activists were arrested. The court denied bail to Timber and several others, sparking outrage among Chamisa's supporters. They gathered at the Harare Magistrates' Court, their voices echoing through protest songs, demanding justice and the release of their comrades. It was a powerful display of unity and resilience. Let's take a step back and understand the gravity of this situation. Nelson Chamisa has been a significant figure in Zimbabwe's political landscape. Despite facing numerous challenges and controversies, he has maintained a steadfast support base. His followers are passionate, determined, and ready to fight for their cause. The charges against the activists are serious: participating in a gathering with the intent to promote violence, breaches of peace, or bigotry. They also face allegations of disorderly conduct. These charges carry heavy consequences, and the activists are now remanded in custody until July 10th. As the political tension in Zimbabwe continues to rise, the situation at the Harare Magistrates' Court is a stark reminder of the ongoing struggle for political freedom and justice. The supporters' demonstration was not just about the release of their fellow activists. It was a statement, a call for change in a system they believe is unjust. This isn't the first time Chamisa's supporters have taken to the streets. In the past, they have demonstrated immense resilience and spirit, standing firm in the face of adversity. Their recent actions are a testament to their unwavering commitment to their leader and their cause. The political landscape in Zimbabwe is complex and fraught with challenges. The events unfolding in Harare are a vivid illustration of the deep-seated issues that continue to plague the country. As we move closer to July 10th, all eyes will be on the court's decision and the subsequent actions of Chamisa's supporters. So, what does this mean for the future of Zimbabwe? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the people are speaking and their voices are getting louder. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed.